Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. Today we have come up with a very important video, how to install ad blocker in your Chrome web browser, and the extension which we are dealing with today is Adblock. So the name's a little confusing, but today we are dealing with Adblock only. So let's get started and check how to install the extension and use its features. So stay tuned. So first is the installation. For that, just go to your Chrome's application menu. From there, go to extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, and in the search box above, just type Adblock. So today we are showing you how to install Adblock. The names are quite confusing because all of them sound same, but this is the extension from getadblock.com. So just remember this name and click on it and click on Add to Chrome, Add extension, and that's it. Your extension will get installed. After installation, this page will come up, so just ignore it for the moment. After installation, if the extension is in hidden condition, just remember that you have to click this extension icon and click on pin. So this will ensure you can always see the extension. So now we will test the extension. So we have opened CNN's web page, and you can see that it has obstructed at least 44 ads on this web page. You might be seeing this particular banner. Don't get confused, this is something related to acceptable ads, and I'll come to it a little bit later. Now if you want to completely whitelist a particular page, sometimes your news channels, news web pages, they will say that you can't use an ad blocker. Same for YouTube. So for that you have to do a whitelisting. For whitelisting, you have to just click on this icon and click on pause on this site. So that's it. It will disable the ad blocker on the particular web page. Okay, so now let us go to the options and see what things are there. So as I said that by default, the ad blockers now allow acceptable ads, that is non-intrusive advertisements. That's why you were seeing some ads right in your, even after ad blocker was working. So for that, you have to remove this particular toggle. So it's up to you whether you want to remove that or not, because some advertisement is necessary for the internet to function. So that's the basic understanding. Otherwise you won't get any content for free. Now some more advanced options, like we just whitelisted a particular web page, right? So if you want to check like all the whitelisted web pages, you can go to customize, and from here you can see uh, you know the web pages which you have whitelisted. But only touch this if you know what you're doing. Okay, so apart from this, one important concept is that of filter lists. So basically your Adblock extension works on lists which are working for filtering your ads. So by default, some lists will always be there, like here we are seeing 3. Now if you want to add other lists also, you can do it. For example, if you want to add cryptocurrency mining protection list, you can do that. So it's up to you. Anti-social filter list and all that stuff. So just check the particular options and add as per your requirement. So that's it for today. Hope this video was of any use to you. If you have any questions regarding Adblock extension, just write it down in the comments and I'll make sure to answer all of the questions. And please like, share and subscribe. That's very important for the channel. And I will meet again soon with a new video. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.